We are going to be discussing about screensaver on a Windows 11 operating system. So let's say you install Windows 11 by default, and as you may know, the Windows 11 does not configure screensaver by default when you do a fresh installation, but it could actually include some handful old favorites. For example, when you upgrade your device from a older operating system to a Windows 11 operating system. So if, for example, you want to actually personalize your screensaver, what you need to do is we need to go to settings, and from settings we need to go to personalization, and then go to lock screen, and from lock screen here you can see we have our screensaver. So let me just click on screensaver there, and right now you can see it says none. So but what I can actually do is the following. We can decide to actually choose, let me just start with ribbons. For example, here you can actually preview how it will actually look like. You can see this is how it's going to look like, but it says, well, let me just put like 4 minutes there. This is how it's going to look like. We can actually change it to after like 4 minutes or after 1 minute the screensaver will start. But at the same time, we can decide to go for photos. We can decide to say, okay, I want to go to settings, and here I want to browse for a picture. For example, let me just go to my download, go to download, and there we go. So I'm going to be shuffling all the pictures there. Let me just put on medium, and I'll click save, and here we can actually click preview to actually see how you can see how the pictures will look like. But mind you, you need to have pictures in that location. And if I go to my Stiffy, I can go to preview, and here you can see how it's actually going to look like if, for example, this screen becomes, you actually try to configure your screen saver. And now we can decide to switch, or just wait after like 1 minute it will actually go to your screensaver. So your screensaver is actually when you actually lock your screen, or for example you are away from your screen will start to display some of this screen saver, but it will only take like 1 minute. I can now click apply and okay. For example, we can decide to actually give a screen timeout. If I click on screen timeout, you can see it says the screen is set to never turn off when plugging. But I can actually change that. I can turn that, close that for now, and then says when plugged in, turn off my screen after. I can go for like 5 hours, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So but just know you can actually modify how long it will take before your screen can go to actually sleep mode if you're not using, mind you, if you're not using your screen. So to personalize your screensaver, what you need to do is to go to personalization, and there we have the lock screen, and here we have the screensaver. So that is how you actually personalize your screensaver. So I will advise you, if you are still watching this video up to this moment, please try and follow up on this video using your own Windows 11 operating system, because without you doing the practicals, you will not be able to learn much from this tutorial. So it is better for you to actually follow up on this training, then you can learn more about how Windows 11 works and operates.